goes to obviously her. Hello everyone, this is Meter D Green here. I have another toy review for you all. This is going to be the toy review for Dino Thunder Yellow. So if you are returning back to my channel, thank you and welcome back. But if you are new to this channel, thanks for clicking onto the video. So here we have the box. It's an empty box, but here it is. Has a nice little image of Dino Thunder Yellow here, otherwise known as Abare Yellow from Bakuryuu Sentai Abaranger, I believe they were called. So here's the back, nice picture, and here we have some legal things here at the bottom, and some more here at the bottom. Here is the other side of the box. The top of the box has nothing. And there we are. So now it's time to look at the figure. Let's see if we can try and find her somewhere. Okay, I think that we've located her. So let's get this empty box out of the way. Go. Okay, so let's focus on the, well, here's the figure, so let's focus on the accessories first. Let's see, we have the helmet here. A nice helmet, nice shade of yellow. Has the image of the pterodon. I believe it is, and I don't think it was a pterodactyl, I think it was the pterodon. That's the helmet. Here are her signature side weapons that were nicely painted. I think these are the Terra grips. I'll look up the proper term and I'll put them on here on the screen. Here's a blast effect here. The blast effect goes to obviously her. I was trying to avoid that. Excuse me, the blast effect goes to the blaster, obviously. Nicely painted. This blaster is their version in gun mode, and there also is a sword mode, but this one doesn't flip out, it's just strictly a gun. And let's see, these two pieces, oh, blurry. So these two bits here go into these bits over here. There we go. She also comes packaged with two sets of hands. Well, one set of hands. So there's a right hand and a left hand for her signature poses. And now here we are with the figure. Let's zoom out a little bit. Here she is. Does she look like Kira? I'm assuming yes. I'm assuming yes. The hair is kind of weird, but she did have that type of curly, long but curly hair. Nice body, nice shade of yellow. Nice appliques. So very nice. The only downside is that this figure has a lot of trouble standing. So So let's transform her into Abare Yellow and let's do the articulations. Okay, so let's start with the top. So we have head, neck, butterfly joint here, shoulder cut here, wrist swivel. Is there? No, the wrist just goes around and around, not up and down. We have abdomen movement here, goes back that far. There's some gapping here in the middle. Goes down about that far. Yeah, that's as far as it's going to go. Legs can go out forward like this without any type of hindrance from the skirt because of the cut. Go out to the side. Once again, no hindrance. You have the boot cut here. The ankle rockers here. And there is a double elbow joint here. You can see double elbow joint and a double knee joint. So what do I think about this figure? Once again, I do like her. A lot of these figures that Hasbro are putting out have a very difficult time standing. I don't understand why. It's just, I guess the proportions are correct, but then the joints are so tiny that the whole body is having a difficulty standing up. There's a way that we can rectify that with some stands. I think I'll probably try and invest in buying some stands so that it will help them to at least stand up for the duration of the video. Do I think that this figure is worth picking up? Absolutely. She has kept his team waiting for an extremely long time. And I believe that she has a lot of explaining to do of why it took her so long to show up for the rest of her team. I mean, all of these people were waiting for her. We were all waiting for you. We were all waiting for you. and we still are incomplete because we're still waiting for the Black Ranger to be released later this summer. So we will be seeing all of these guys again, and we'll be seeing the Black Ranger as soon as he is released as well. So that's all that I have for right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again in the next one.